Hi, have you ever seen a dog suffering so much that even his skin seems to cry for help? Today I meet a poor stray whose body was covered in ticks and painful rashes. What happened next will touch your heart. When I first saw this poor stray dog, I could feel his pain from a distance. His skin was damaged, full of rashes, and his body was weak. I knew that if I did not act today, his suffering would only get worse. I carefully took out the injection. It was not easy because when an animal is already in pain, even a little touch can scare them. But I knew this was the first step to help his skin heal from the inside. Slowly, I gave him the injection. For a moment, he looked at me with fear, but I kept calm, showing him that I was here to help, not to hurt. After the injection, I gently placed my hand on him. That small touch means so much because trust is not built in one day. The dog lowered his head slightly as if saying, I did not fully trust you yet, but I can feel your kindness. Then I picked up the spray bottle. This was not just ordinary spray. It was a veterinary medicine carefully mixed with water so it would not harm him. It had a yellowish color, strong enough to kill ticks and heal rashes, but gentle enough not to damage his skin. I started spraying slowly from his back to his neck, carefully avoiding his eyes and ears. With every spray, I imagined I was washing away his pain, his suffering, and giving him a new chance at life. He shook his body, uncomfortable at first, but then stopped quietly as if he realized this was for his own good. Step by step, I covered his entire body, even the areas near his ear where ticks usually hide. Some of them started falling off, and I felt relief knowing that this treatment was working. Once I was done, I sat next to him again. His face still showed signs of suffering, small wounds, rashes, and the exhaustion of living without care. But this time there was also a spark of hope in his eyes. I took a few pictures with him, not just to remember this moment, but to remind myself that even a small act of kindness can make a huge difference. This dog's journey is not over yet. His skin will need more treatment, more care, and above all, more love. But today was the first step, and sometimes the first step is the most important. You just saw how one helpless dog found a little comfort through care and treatment. But think for a moment how many more animals are out there suffering in silence, waiting for just one kind hand. If each of us takes a small step, the impact will be huge. This channel is not just about videos, it's about a mission to heal, to rescue, and to show kindness where the world often looks away. And I want you to be a part of this mission. Do not just leave after watching, subscribe right now and follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Every time you click, every time you share, you are standing with us in saving lives. Your support is what gives us the strength to help the next animal. Together we can change their world. Thank you everyone.